Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can import products in your Wix website. So I have some products in CSV file. Now let me type wix.com, and in Wix Studio now I need to select a website where I want to import products. So make sure that you have enabled store option in your Wix website before importing product. Now let me go in catalog section and then store products, then click on the products. Now here you can see more actions. Click here and import, and now we need to select file, this one, then click on continue button, and here you can see products are detected, so these are the 12. Then click here import 12 products, and it will take few seconds to import product. So guys, here you can see we got notification that all of the products are imported successfully. In this way you can easily import products in your Wix website.